This is second video in the concept of transposing. I've trying to give you more examples so that you understand better and your practice, you have enough practice so that mistakes completely gets reduced. So in here, the first equation is 2x minus 14 is equal to 7x plus 16. You can bring the 7x to the left and you can take minus 14 to the right. See, 7x to the left hand side along with x. Previous video I told you x has to be in the left, x has to be in the numerator, x has to be positive. Right. Ellame at a time satisfy பண்றது கஷ்டம். Now what happens when you bring the 7x to the left? 2x minus 7x ஆயிடும். Correct? You will have what? 2x minus 7x. So it becomes minus 5x. So the one of the criteria is not satisfied. X has to be positive. Of course, I told you it is not possible in all the cases, in all the questions. So நீங்க இந்த swap பண்றது, interchange பண்றது by practice, அவ்வளோ அழகா ரேண்டமா பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கணும் such that you get the answer easily. Ultimately, we are just trying to find that. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ ரெண்டு விதமும் பண்ணலாம். I'm bringing this 7x here, so it becomes minus 5x is equal to, so numbers to the other side. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? Minus 14 மூவ் பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா you got 7x from the right to the left along with a variable on the left. So numbers preferably on the other side. So 16 இங்க already இருக்கு. This minus 14 becomes plus 14. So it becomes 30, right? So minus 5x is 30. So x is equal to minus 30 by 5, which is minus 6. This is one approach, one way of doing it. Now, if I'm going to take this 2x to the other side, so what happens? 5x side, 7x minus 2x, when you're transposing 2x to the right, it becomes minus 2x on the right hand side. 16 obviously to be transposed to the left, it becomes minus 14 minus 16. Okay, minus 14 minus 16. இங்க என்ன ஒரு மேஜர் கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வரும்னா, இப்போ நான் 2x அங்க கொண்டு போனா 5x ரைட்ல தானே எழுதணும். This interchange alone you have to practice really well. 5x ரைட்ல தான் இருக்கும். Okay, so you're bringing to the left, so it becomes minus 5x. Don't have it like that. Okay? So it'll be 5x is equal to minus 14 minus 16, which is minus 30. So x is equal to minus 60. In either case, the answer is not going to change. Okay. So 5x on the ponalo, you can write it on the left because you're just swapping both the values from right to left and left to right. Signs is not going to matter. Hope you can understand that clearly. Okay. So rendu vidhamavum swap is possible. And as I told you, it's positive or no அப்படின்ற மாதிரி maintain பண்ணாலும் okay, or you can interchange and make x positive to the other side also. So x is minus 6 from the first example. இங்கே வந்து I have 3x second question. 3x minus 10 plus 6 is equal to minus 2x plus 26. Okay, and most common mistakes that normally happens here is minus 10 plus 6. Students consider it as minus 16. There's no bracket here, right? So echo the minus 16 of them, you have to understand that first. Minus of 10 plus 6 is different from minus 10 plus 6. In the இடத்துல தான் they miss on the fundamentals. They very simply say that silly mistakes. யாருனாலும் நடக்குது இந்த mistake because of lack of knowledge with respect to the fundamentals, basics. See the difference, okay? So in here, it is minus 16 here, whereas this is minus 4. It's a huge difference between these two numbers, correct? So let it clear understand for me. There is no brackets, so it is actually minus 10 plus 6, which is minus 4. Now bring this, transpose this minus 2x to the left. ஏன்னா இங்க அழகா உங்களுக்கு condition satisfy ஆகுது. X to the left, x to be positive. ரெண்டுமே criterion clarify ஆகுறதுனால we can do that. So இங்க என்ன இருக்கு நம்மளுக்கு minus 4 இருக்கு. Take it to the right, so you have 26 plus 4. Last video I made it clear. The plus 4 minus 4 அங்கிருந்து transpose ஆகும்போது அது first போடணுமா second போடணுமா, it's one and the same, right? நீங்க ஒரு சைடுல interchange பண்ணும்போது sign மாறக்கூடாதுன்றதையும் last video I mentioned. And also you can write wherever you want on the same side. That doesn't matter, okay? So 5x is equal to 30 here, so x is again 6. This time it is plus 6 because of the equation, okay? So this is the second example. Now going for the third one, I have Yeah, more numbers and variables this time. So you have a variable here, as well as one on the other side. Okay. So either when the multiple times don't keep writing 4x minus 3x. இப்போ இங்க arrange பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு step 10 and 9 together. அது ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல எழுதுவீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த 7x இங்க கொண்டு வரீங்களா? இல்ல இங்க இருக்கிற x அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போறீங்களா? You have multiple steps. Okay. Next எழுதும்போதே you group this 4x and minus 3x. It's going to be 1x or plus x, right? 10 and 9 is going to give you 19 is equal to 7x plus 1. All right. Now you can transpose the 7x to the left or you can transpose x to the right, however it is. எப்படி வேணும் நீங்க பண்ணலாம். Therefore 1 to the other side. Okay. நீங்க variable எங்க shift பண்றீங்களோ accordingly number on the other side. So I'm bringing x to the right. Okay. ஆனா நான் எப்படி எழுத போறேன் 6x on the left as explained in example 1. சரியா? இதை கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்காதீங்க. x right hand side வந்து 6x ஆனாலும் you can write it on the left because preferably we want x is equal to some 4 as an answer. We will not write 4 is equal to x as the answer. Is equal to 1 minus 19. Okay. So இந்த sign transpose வந்து அழகா ஒரு formatல நீங்க கொண்டு வரணும். Really very thorough and quick with the calculations. So x is equal to minus 18 by 6. In this case it is minus 3. So இதுல நார்மலா linear transposing பார்த்தோம். Just everything is in the numerator. We were able to transpose. Now the next two examples, very simple examples, which has the fraction. So now I've seen students doing like this. They will cancel this 2 and 4, which is a very big mistake, or they will bring this 2 to the right. This is absolutely not possible at all. Okay? So நீங்க பண்ணவே கூடாது. In the x plus 2 as a whole, you can interchange transpose to the other side. இங்க ப்ராடக்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கிறனால என்ன ஆகும்? There is no sign change, there is only place change. இந்த கிளாஸ்ல படிச்சிருப்போம், ரைட்? ப்ராடக்ட் அண்ட் கோஷன்ட் ரூல்ல கோஷன் ஃபார்மேட்ல இருந்து டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா சைன் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது, பிளேஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். whereas addition subtraction ஃபார்மேட்ல இருந்து டிரான்ஸ்போஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா பிளேஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது, சைன் மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், ரைட்? So you can rewrite this as, see again, x plus 2 right side ponalum, I am writing it as x plus 2 on the left, 4 by 2. This 2 is getting interchanged to the denominator. Yeah, the ultimate x கண்டுபிடிக்கும். So x plus 2 is equal to 2, x is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay. Now, again, I got another ulta equation here. இங்கேயும் வந்து இந்த 2 cancel பண்றது இதெல்லாம் very very big mistake. Never do that. X plus 2 is equal to 10. See, அங்க நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு இந்த questionல variable and constant for patternல இருந்தனால you're interchanging because you want variable to be isolated. இங்க இது ரெண்டுமே constants தான், numbers தான். You can prove that. 2 into 5, 10. X is equal to 8. All right. So this is a very, very crucial concept. So I'm planning to make multiple videos on this. Watch this as informed in the previous video. Also make more examples, practice well, be thorough with this. This is very important and crucial. See you all in another video. Take care.